Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, so in this video today, I'm going to be decorating a table for two in red, white, and blue. Come on with me, guys. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now, this video is a part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Amethyst Adventures. Now, as in all collaborations, we practice YouTube etiquette. Now, I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music as I put this tablescape together. All right, so let me jump in here and tell you exactly what's on the table. So the tablecloth was a thrifted item. Those placemats came from this Asian store where I used to live. And we have the chargers. Those white chargers came from Hobby Lobby. The white plate came from the Dollar Tree. And those flat plates that are absolutely gorgeous, they came from the Goodwill. So we have the greenery in the back, and we can't forget the cross guys. And then I placed that white candle and the candle holder right in the center. All those items came from the Dollar Tree. Now we have the white napkins that was thrifted, and of course the hair ties that we're using with the red, white, and blue that came from the Dollar Tree. Now we have the glassware. So the wine glasses came from Walmart, and the water glass came from the Dollar Tree. All right, so the flatware is down, and that came from Party City. We're lighting the candles. Let's head on over to the reveal. Isn't this an absolutely beautiful tablescape for two? I absolutely love it. I love it. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.